Hi friends, this is Myra and I'm here today to introduce you to FabFitFun seasonal boxes. We're so excited to be partnering with them. They are a subscription box that you can get up to 4 times a year, and they're full of amazing products that cover beauty, health, wellness, and lifestyle. So this is going to be my first impression. I haven't seen anything inside the box, and I'm so excited to unveil these products in front of you. So you get a new box each season, so it's like you have a birthday every season. This is actually the summer box. So the great thing about this value is that every box contains items valued over $200 worth of items, but you get this box for $49.95 per box. So this box is a great value. You're getting so much more than you're paying for, and it's such a great motivation to stay fit, active, and continue working out. It's a nice little surprise every season. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Stella, you're gonna help me? All right, here we go. Drum roll, please. One thing I love about this box is that it supports amazing causes. A lot of the items that you're going to find in here are made by female-founded businesses, and it's also in support of the Eva Longoria Foundation and the Global Gift Foundation. So we have a magazine of Eva in here. Let's see what's inside. All right, first thing I notice is this cool towel. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's a lotus flower. I can imagine this on the ground even, if you want to have a little group gathering with your favorite ladies around it, a little picnic blanket maybe. This is beautiful. I love this. So as you guys know, I do a lot of pretty intense power yoga, and I think this towel would be awesome to have handy or even on the mat so you don't slip and slide around as you're doing something like this. If you do use a towel, you'll notice it's really helpful to have that in your practice, especially for the sweaty yoga practices. So the next thing I have in my hand is Grace and Stella Rose Spray. It's a hydrating rose facial spray. This sounds amazing. So it says you mist 4 to 5 sprays onto the face with your eyes closed before or after your makeup. And then you can reapply as needed throughout the day. So it's just a little like a refresher, something to give you a little hydration, especially in the summer. I think it'll be super refreshing. All right, let's go. I love rose sprays, by the way. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell this right now. This is really, really yummy. Like you could stuff your face in a bouquet of roses and you would just imagine that sensation. That's the feeling you get from spraying that. Very refreshing. All right, here we go. The next item is a living proof nourishing styling cream. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. I actually love this brand. I've tried some of their other products and their cream works wonders, especially if you have frizzy hair or with the humidity, if your hair tends to frizz up, this would be great to try. All right, next item is jewelry. Jennifer Zuner jewelry. Let's see. What do we have here? Oh, this is beautiful. It's a necklace. All right, let's open it up. This is a beautiful gold necklace and it has some delicate star detail on it. If you can see, there's 2 little stars on either side. I love delicate jewelry, delicate rings, as you can see, necklaces. So this is right up my alley. I wish I had a mirror to see what it looks like. I'm sure it looks awesome. And the next thing we have here, Invisibobble, the traceless hair rings. These are so cool. I actually just bought some of these for my daughter, but I didn't buy any for myself, so this is perfect. They have the nude and the clear. And next item, Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask Ultraviolet. Refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture. So it's for all skin types. Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten and even skin tone. Reinforces and protects skin barrier function and rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. I totally cannot wait to try this one. It sounds so luxurious. So already, I mean, this has so many great deals in here, way over value of the box. All right, next we have a makeup setting spray, Kula. It's SPF 30, contains 70% and more of organic ingredients. Also something I will definitely be using on a daily basis. It's a nice, pretty glass bottle. And then we have one last item in here. We have a exfoliating foot mask. So this is a super clean, natural product with coconut milk and verbena. Says use ideally at bedtime, apply liberally to desired area and let dry. Go to bed and awake with softer feet. And we've got a $10 off coupon code for you. The coupon code is TRUTH, so enter the coupon code, get $10 off your first box. So it also included this $80 gift card towards HelloFresh. You get $20 off your first 4 deliveries if you sign up with HelloFresh. This is an awesome deal. I've actually subscribed with HelloFresh in the past, and they have the most delicious ingredients. You can make your own meal. It takes the guesswork off, and you eat healthy. It helps you to eat more healthy at home. So wonderful, wonderful value in this box. In addition to all of this amazing stuff that you get in this box, you get to customize. So you get to pick what is in your box. You can pick and choose the favorite things. Every box has a value over $200, but each one you pay less than $50, $49.99 every season, 4 boxes a year. It's so wonderful. Anything when it comes to helping women, women's empowerment initiatives, anything I 100% back. And that is something that is near and dear to my heart, especially with my Get Your Body Back program. I am driven to help empower women, and this box supports amazing causes and female-founded companies. And most of the brands in this summer box were actually founded by females. So it truly feels like it's your birthday. Every season you get to get this box in the mail, and it's so exciting to anticipate when you're opening the box what's going to be inside. And as you can see, it is a birthday gift to yourself. It's a gift to have such pampering items. So I'm a huge advocate of self-care because we spend so much time, especially as women, taking care of everybody. We take care of our families, our spouses, our friends. How often do we actually take care of ourselves? So I see this as an investment in ourselves so that we can serve the ones that we love better. When our cups are full, we can better fill other people's cups. So taking care of yourself by little treats like this not only helps you feel good, but it increases the likelihood of you living a active, healthy, nourishing lifestyle. And any of you gentlemen listening, this would be a wonderful gift for the women in your life, for Mother's Day, for birthdays, for any special occasion. I think a subscription to this would be the perfect thing to get. We're so excited to be partnering with FabFitFun. I hope that you are excited as well to go and subscribe. This box is also available in the UK now, so please go ahead, take a moment. Don't forget that coupon code so you can save $10, and we'll see you next time.
Introducing YogaPlus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. YogaPlus. Download now for free.